Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about one of the toughest things anyone can go through: getting over a breakup. Whether it was a long-term relationship or a short-term fling, a breakup can be really painful and can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks that will help you to get through this tough time. First tip: allow yourself to feel your emotions. The first step to getting over a breakup is to allow yourself to feel the emotions that comes with it. Cry if you need to, scream if you have to. It's okay to feel sad and angry. These emotions are a natural part of the grieving process. Don't try to suppress your emotions. It will only make it harder for you to move on. Second tip: cut off all contacts. Delete their number, unfollow them on social media, and avoid places where you know they will be. You need space and time to heal, and constant reminders of them will only make it harder for you. It may be hard at first, but it will get easier with time. Third tip: focus on yourself. Use this time to focus on yourself. Pick up a new hobby, start going to the gym, or learn a new skill. Anything that makes you feel good about yourself and distracts you from your pain. Spend time with friends and family who love you and support you. Do things that make you happy and remind you that you are worthy of love and happiness. Fourth tip: don't rush into a new relationship. It is tempting to jump into a new relationship after a breakup, but this is not the best idea. Take the time to heal and get over your previous relationship before entering into a new one. Give yourself time to figure out what you really want in a partner and what went wrong in your previous relationship. Rushing into a new relationship can often be a distraction from the real issues and can cause more harm than good. Fifth tip: seek professional help if needed. If you find that you have struggled to cope with the pain of a breakup, seek professional help. A therapist or a counselor can provide you with the support and guidance you need to get through this tough time. They can help you process your emotions, identify unhealthy patterns, and develop coping strategies to help you move on. So there you have it, guys, my top 5 tips for getting over a breakup. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but with time, self-care, and the support of loved ones, you will get through it. If you have any other tips or tricks that have helped you get over a breakup, be sure to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!